Okay, I think we're here. Oh, there's cooked chicken. Ant-Man? Oh, what is it, Stark? Ant-Man, what the heck are we doing here? A nice suit. Oh yeah, it's my old comic suit. Why are you wearing a comic suit, not the movie version? I don't know, I think I like it. How's your girlfriend, the Wasp? Shut up. Ow, God, ow, God. Ow, that hurt me. Okay, Stark, here. Oh, camping? Yeah, since the mansion is getting built, cause, you know, we formed the Avengers now, so since the mansion is getting built, we decided to take some good field trips or something. Oh, yeah. Okay, so Stark, go to this chest. Whoa! Yep. We get to cook some marshmallows. One for me. The bed. Oh yeah, here's a phone. We need some phone to communicate. And no powers. Alright, wait. Pin particles. Shut up. Really. I need some pin particles just in case we get run out of trouble. But no superpowers. Oh, we get to cook this chicken. Oh no! Actually, we don't need no fire. This is a waste. You know. Okay. Come here. Come here, Stark. Whoa. Yep. Awesome. You can't go to sleep, Stark. I wanna sleep. Well, you can sleep in your Iron Man suit. No. And plus the battery's raised. Well, there's a helicopter going to get us. You know, that's how we got there. Oh yeah. What do you want to do now? Oh, there's tools in this. No, it's camping. We can't use people's tools. Stark, any ideas? No. Okay, well, can you call me? Can you call me just in case you get anything? Sure. Alright. I'm just gonna... Let's see, let's get some wood. We can build a crafting table after this, right? Sure thing. Oh, we can go swimming! Really? Yeah. There. We still need more. Alright, almost done, Stark. Hurry up. It's getting dark and dark. Be quiet, Stark. It's not getting dark. You're just paranormal. What? Do you see those scary movies, Paranormal Activity or something? Why are you making so much sticks for a freaking boat? Oh, shut up, Stark. We need to make a boat. We don't need a boat. Yes, we do. Why? To travel around. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. We need a shovel. Oh, yes. We can make two boats. Two boats, Stark. No, we can't. Okay, Stark. I made the two. Oh, it's getting dark. Can we just do it tomorrow? Of course we will. I thought we were gonna cook some marshmallows. Okay, let's go to sleep, Stark. Good night, Stark. Good night. What is that? Is that picture of? Is that pictures of Pepper Potting? Silly Stark. Oh, we got some chickens. Hi, chickens. No, you're not. I'm sorry about your mama. I'm sorry. Oh, foam safety. Wait, no. Hey, get the heck out of here. Here he goes. Whee. Oh my god, this is crazy. I never know how to ride a boat. Think I need some boat lessons. There we go. Stark, are you awake? You're awake, sir? Good. What? Come on, Stark. You need to wake up. Alright. Go away, sheep. I was waiting for you. Here. Me? Yes, take it. We're gonna go bow, okay? Whee! Wait for me! Well, guys, I hope you like this wall play. We're gonna make part 2 soon. Stark, get over here. Wait, can we? Oh! Stark! We can ride the boat again! What? Oh my god, we're gonna ride the boat! Ah, oh my god! This is messed up. We don't need 2 boats. Okay. How do we leave there? Oh my god. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to the Avengers, because we're the best of the best. Right, Stark? Well, that is it. And we're going to make our Twitter soon. We just started YouTube. So leave a like. And... Oh, sorry. High five? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait, no. I did it wrong. Okay, high five, bro. Hey, we didn't even give. Okay. What? Oh. Okay, that is it. Bye-bye.